So now friends, what we will learn up in Power Query is how to use right, left and mid function in Power Query. This function in Excel is used to extract your right side characters, left side characters and mid characters from the data. Like in this case we have taken certain vehicle number here and we want to extract vehicle number, uh, like its right character, its left character and its mid character. In that case we can use how we can use Power Query. Let's see. So first of all I will click here in the beginning of the data, then I will go to data, and from data I will convert this data into a table, my table as a header as vehicle name. So I will take this and press OK. So after clicking OK, our Power Query editor is open and now here we have a data. So we are in the home tab of our Power Query. If we will go to transform, so from here we will find a extract here in our text column. So in extract it will ask about first character, last character or range. So if I will take first character, so that it will give only answer in the given data only. Like if I will first character and then count from where it will start. So it will start 1 and 2. So I will put 2 here and press OK. So now it is only showing the first 2 characters, but we are not finding the original data here. So it has converted our data and only giving the first 2 characters. So we will remove this step if we want to keep the original data. For that we have another option here in Power Query, which is add column. So I will remove this and then I will go to add column, and in add column we also have an extract here, and then I will go to first character and this time I will take 2 and press OK. So now we have a new column added, new rows added where we are finding our first 2 characters. Next, if we want to find in the last 4 characters, so then I will go here, select this, extract and last characters, and then I will type 4 here because I want to find the last 4 character and press OK. So now we have another row here where we are finding the last 4 character. Next thing, if we want to find out the middle 2 character, so in that case this Power Query this will count it from 0. So it will count it 0, then this 1, then this 2. So it will start from 2 and then it will go till 0, 1, 2, and this is 3 and this is 4. So let's check it out how it will work. Range, so we will starting index is 3 and your number of character is 1 and 2. So it will start from 3 and number of characters. So let's see. So now we are finding our middle 2 character. So in that case it will start indexing from 0 and it will take u as 0, k as 1 and this minus hyphen as 2. So it is starting from 3 and go till your 7. So now if you want to put it back into our table, so I will go there and then I will go here and close and load. After doing this, we will find our data in a new worksheet, and this is our data. So whatever change we will make here, that will be there also, and our Power Query table is in green color. Generally we will find our Power Query table in green color. This is our original data. So if we will add something to it, I will go down and add something here, like and thus go to our original data like our Power Query data. Then I will press right arrow key from my keyboard and press refresh. So now new data will be added here, so we will just check it out. So we will just check at 3457. So this is the data here. So this way we can use Power Query to finding out the middle, upper and middle, right, यानी कि mid data, left data and right data. So in next video we will see more about it.